Hey, it's Tasheenia Bennett with eXp Realty and Homes with Sheena. I am so excited that the townhomes in Hawks Ridge are complete and available. To share my excitement, I'm hosting a block party for everyone in town. Join me on October 5th at 6:30 for a fun-filled evening at this beautiful new community of Hawks Ridge. It's located at 2121 24th Street Lane, Southeast in Hickory. This is the perfect opportunity to relax and have a great time. We'll sip on delicious cocktails, mingle with our friends, nibble on good food, win some prizes, and check out these new construction homes, all while listening to live music and soaking in the views as the sun sets. A big thank you goes out to Madison Simmons Home Builders for bringing these townhomes to Hickory. Townhomes are perfect for all stages in life. They have modern designs, low maintenance, and you can't beat this location. So bring your friends, your family, and your lawn chairs. Don't miss out on this incredible event. The best part about it is it's free. So come hang out with me and register today so that I know to expect you. See you soon.